In a bold move that has sent shockwave across the diplomatic sphere, President Joe Biden has issued a stern warning to Israel over its invasion of Rafah. The ongoing conflict in the Middle East has reached a critical juncture, with tensions escalating and the world is watching with bated breath. Well, Biden said that he would stop sending more weapons that can be used in attacks to Israel if they decide to invade Rafah on the ground. He thinks that it's really bad because it could lead to innocent people getting hurt or killed. Biden said in an interview with CNN that we are going to continue to make sure that Israel is secure in terms of Iron Dome and their ability to respond to attack that came out of the Middle East recently. But it's just very wrong. We are not going to supply the weapons and artillery shells. This remark came just after the United States stopped sending 3,500 bombs to Israel, including some big ones weighing 200 pounds each. These bombs could cause a lot of damage in the crowded city of Rafah in Gaza. This happened because the US is getting more and more frustrated with how Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is handling the war in Gaza. This move by the Biden administration shows that they are really unhappy with how things are going in the fight against Hamas. Well, earlier on Wednesday, a spokesperson from the State Department, whose name is Matthew Miller, said that the US is looking into other possible weapon systems if possible. According to a person who works for Congress and another who works for the government, there has been a review going on for months about another potential sale of the arms. This one involves a Boeing company and Israel and could be worth around $260 million. Meanwhile, the Israeli military has seized control of Gaza Strip side of Rafah border crossing with Egypt, moving forward with an offensive in the southern city as prospect for the ceasefire deal with Hamas hang in the balance. Now, as the world holds its breath, the fate of Rafah hangs in balance, with hopes for a swift end to the violence and a path towards lasting peace. For more such information, do follow India.com's International Affairs.